are you doing? It's double line. What the hell are you doing? Yes, a signal would have been nice. What are you doing? You keep going. No signal when you're about to slow down. That's a very smart idea.
Yeah, they'll fuck around. Look at the men. They don't like to picture their woman fucking their best friend.
Does not even stop.
So picture your woman fucking your best friend.
Alright, here we go. Oh. Shit, there's a 99 right there. Fuck it, there's no one coming.
You done messed up, Aaron!
And of course it turns red. Oh, you dick. Yeah, there's only cars coming. So, and why'd you do that? They almost hit. Fuck you. You just kept going. Over me, I'm bathing in. Why are we stopping? Oh, you suck. Fuck. Can I actually just drive on the sidewalk? You don't have enough room, you can't go around like that. Hey. Moron. And he's the one that got pulled over, too.
A few moments later.
You done messed up, Aaron! All over the place, okay? Listen, I cannot make this up. Let me show y'all how my dad walked into my school. This is all I saw. Hey!
He's gonna run. Wow! Shit! Why is people only going like 20? I hate to be the one behind that one. Yep, now we're gonna go on being lost. Oh wait, she makes a left turn with the red arrow there. You can't make this shit up. Italian bistro. The Pizza Hut Italian. What the hell is this shit? I had to laugh at that sign, and I don't know what that was. Sirens, idiot.
true until you're married, but I am bound to tell you the truth because I'm Uncle Dave. Thanks for the call.
What?
What?
Not even the windshield's cleaned off! What the fuck?
Alright. Maine. First time ever. Here in Maine. Oh boy. I hate it already. Wow. People are dumb. Seriously? You're riding in the you better turn there. Lips are poisonous. Oh, wait. Shit.
You done messed up, Aaron!
How many attempts do you need to pull into a parking spot? Where are you going? Well, it's not like we're on Redlands. Goodbye, Maine! I hope to never see you again!